So much focus is on, how can we improve the lives of women in poverty from Bangladesh to India to Africa. It's amazing how staggering the opportunity is right here in the United States of America. I think there's 1 million women in poverty right here in New York City alone. To break the cycle, you need to have financial security and access to capital. Women are rejected 20% more than men for a loan here in the United States. So giving women non-recourse loans in small amounts with a discipline to repay is a real, live, impactful poverty alleviation solution. Grameen America is the fastest growing micro lender in the United States.
Business model here in this industry, but if we can't solve the social need for financial inclusion, the traditional financial capital markets aren't. There's too much risk in their model. It is too difficult to give and administer small loans to those in need if you are a large bank. It's just not going to happen. So then what are the alternatives? Usury rate, it's so binary. The alternative is unacceptable, so I think that this formal new structure has to figure it out between the enterprises in this room, organizations, not just Grameen, but like ourselves, who say, okay, there's going to have to be a way, in any small way or large way, that we get capital out to the people who need it. And if we don't do that in this country, we can't resume growth. The entrepreneurs that are getting small capital through programs like this, to me, are the resumption of the American economy, city by city. Mm-hmm. The richest nation, in the richest city, we opened up in Jackson Heights, in the world, the financial, center of the universe, and the very same principles work. That if women got together and had a discipline enforced, that they got peer mentorship, peer pressure, as well as a deep feeling of loyalty to an organization where, again, they were being shut out of the formal capital markets, everywhere they turned, that this could yield not only a good economic model for Grameen America, but an extraordinary individual benefit. Formal economy, the concept of going cashless was really, would they really do that? Does everybody have technology? Does everybody have a phone, never mind a smartphone? And I have to tell you, Sandy, that the incredible thing, even much smaller as the organization was then, is yes, they may not have had computers, they may not have laptops or desktops, but everybody had a phone, and they may not have the most expensive smartphone on the market, but they had a smartphone, and whether they were operating out of a food cart or a dress shop, that is the way they were conducting their life's business with their kids, and connecting and communicating was through a phone. Grameen 1.0 was a lot of Excel spreadsheets, and you guys will all laugh at this, but $63 of a weekly repayment coming back in $10 bills and three single dollar bills, so $63 in cash every week. And we said, whoa, 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 whoa. If we're going to really scale here, we have to go cashless, we have to go paperless. We've got to sort of hold up this exponential growth of expansion and figure out how to digitize this experience and go to cashless banking, even for the lowest income Americans. And remarkably, when you look at M-Pesa and you look at other international countries, they were further ahead, much further ahead, in terms of the digitization of microfinance tools than a lot of different initiatives going on. Pay Near Me has worked so that they can go and they can make their repayments at a 7-Eleven or a CVS, and then we're really piloting debit cards with Capital One. So all kinds of technology solutions so that the entire process now can not only help them with their transactions with Grameen America, but open their eyes, Sandy, I would say, to the power of technology. And our vision is that we are all about financial inclusion and access to capital, but I think access to technology combined with access to capital is one of the most powerful tools that we can give women and our members as they move up and out of poverty, because it transcends their business. It really, it's completely, in my mind, a transformation of their life. Mm-hmm.